What if I told you that you can install IPA Files directly on your iPhone and without connecting to a computer? A lot of people think sideloading apps on iOS is complicated, risky, or only for advanced users, but that's not always true. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the new Scarlet iOS method, showing you step-by-step how to install IPA Files directly on your iPhone or iPad in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Alright, let's jump right in. This new Scarlet method is designed to work on any iOS versions and iPhone models. To get started, open Safari on your iPhone. Safari is important because the installation process may not work correctly in other browsers. Then go to applejr.net. Once the page loads, look for the Scarlet section. Before installing this new Scarlet, you need to install the applejr DNS to make it work and avoid revoke. Click Install button and click Allow. Then verify the profile by going to Settings. Hit Profile Downloaded and install the profile. Once installed, simply go back to applejr website. Then click the Scarlet with assigned status. When you find it, tap Install. A confirmation pop-up will appear, tap Install again. Now just wait a moment, and Scarlet will begin installing on your home screen. Then, we still need to trust the app first. Open Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Find the Scarlet profile. Tap Trust, then Confirm. Once verified, you can now open Scarlet on your home screen. Now that Scarlet is verified, and the next part is importing certificate into Scarlet. Look at the top right corner and hold the button there. A menu will appear and tap Manage Certs. At this stage, you need a certificate to continue. Go back to applejr website and simply click Certificate section and download the certificate with assigned status. Once downloaded, open the certificate zip file on Files app. Then, extract the zip file, and you'll see a P12 and mobile provision file inside the folder. It needs to import on Scarlet app to use it. Now go back to the Scarlet app, tap Import Certificate, select the P12 file and mobile provision file. When asked for the password, enter applejr.net. That's it, your certificate is now imported successfully, and you're now ready to install IPA Files using Scarlet. To install IPA Files, tap this button again without holding it. Select an IPA file from your Files app. Once the IPA is loaded, tap Install. Scarlet will now start signing and installing the app automatically. If the app does not install on the first try, don't worry, just import the IPA file again, and it should work normally. Once it appears on your home screen, you have successfully installed the app using Scarlet. As you can see, the app is installed successfully and opens normally. Everything was done directly on the iPhone using Scarlet. Now you can install IPA Files using Scarlet whenever you need. Please remember, only install open source apps, test apps, or apps you have permission to use. This video is made only for research and educational purposes. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more iOS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.